Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive lighting with what I believe to be the best White H7 headlight bulbs available right now. Introducing the AUTOONE H7 LED bulb, designed to revolutionize your driving experience with its super bright 6500K white light. Now, let's delve into why these bulbs are making waves in the automotive industry. First off, let's talk brightness. These H7 LED bulbs come equipped with 8 CSP chips, delivering a whopping 200% increase in brightness compared to stock halogen bulbs. Say goodbye to dark spots and shadows on the road, and hello to crystal clear visibility. Installation? A breeze. With a 1-to-1 mini-size design, these bulbs fit seamlessly into your existing socket without the need for adapters. Plus, they're non-polarity, so you can say goodbye to any installation headaches. But what about performance? Well, these bulbs not only offer a perfect beam pattern thanks to their halogen beam design, but they also boast an impressive lifespan of over 50,000 hours. That's years of reliable illumination on the road ahead. And let's not forget about durability. Constructed with aviation aluminum and featuring an intelligent temperature control system, these bulbs can withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +176 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, with an IP67 waterproof rating, they're built to thrive in any weather condition. So, there you have it, folks. The AUTOONE H7 LED bulb, a game-changer in automotive lighting. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating through foggy conditions, these bulbs have got you covered. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest product critiques. Until next time, drive safe and stay illuminated.